Hey guys, welcome back to sanvfx, and we're back on part 5 of iPhone 6 modeling tutorial. So hope you guys have been watching all the full part, and here we are on part 5. I don't think we'll be able to finish it right now as well. We'll need to go with one or two more parts as well. So without wasting any time, let's begin up with the modeling. First thing I just noticed quickly is this piece right here. Let me zoom in a bit, maybe. Press the J key here. If you see the reference images here, you can see a bit of a chamfered edge right here for this one, as well as for the AirPod. We have a little bit similar to this one, so we need to provide that as well. So first of all, let me just fix this one quickly. Let's go to Modify tab and turn off the nerve subdivision, and then let me go ahead and then select these two edges at the middle and just delete them, and make sure you have these supporting edges at the corners, and that's good. Maybe I can add one more. Select this one, ring, do a connect, and I'm gonna do two, pinch them apart, something like 86 or 87. Okay, 88, that's good. Okay, and then it's good to go. And let's see, there's no subdivision. Yeah, that's good. That is good. You may even want to scale them a bit more, so let me go to face, select these 6 bottom faces, and then grow until you get these top ones. Grow, okay, up to that much, and we can just go ahead and scale them in just a touch, not too much, otherwise you can just get too big. Okay, that should be good. Let's go and see the nerve survey. Okay, that's good, I think. Yeah, let's have a look at this reference. Yeah, that's good. The thickness there. And we have for the AirPod as well, but that's not too thick. It's quite thin, so we can just utilize the same geometry there. From here, maybe just turn off this nerve subdivision for now. Just turn that off. Easier for me. Just select these bottom faces and then just grow. I think I have some triangles there. Yeah, I do have some triangles there. So let me just fix that quickly. Just delete these these edges, and then that's good. Let's grow, maybe somewhere around there. Just let me just extrude them. 0.2, that's good. And grow it once again, and just detach it. Okay. Turn this off. Let me select the border here, and you'll notice that it's now empty in here. There's nothing, so I just want some faces here as well. So let me just press the shift key and pull it up, so that'll give it some faces there. And let me just get rid of the isolation mode by pressing Alt key once again, and here I have this small piece there. I'll just pull that down a bit, maybe. Or I can just go to hierarchy, channel, affect pivot only, and center to object. Yeah, that's not so great there. Pull it a bit up, and that should be good there. Okay, and do the same thing for this one. Select the border here and just pull them apart. Pull them up. Yeah. Go, and I just need to go ahead, select this is here, and do a quick chamfer, and not too much, not a high amount, just maybe something like 0.6. Edit 2 edges there. Yeah, that should be good. Let's see how it looks. There's no subdivision for this one, both of them. Yeah, that looks good. Let's press F4 to get rid of these edge segments, and that looks good now. Okay, now that's done, we're ahead with the button stuff now, and we'll start to create those buttons now. What we can do is utilize the inner geometries to create that buttons as well. So I'll just select this one here quickly, press F4, and then let's go here. Let's start with this power button here first. Okay, what I'll do is select all these inner faces as we have been doing. Okay, and then just press the shift key and pull them out in X direction. Now you'll be able to clone that separately, and clone to object and name it power button. Okay, let me go to see in the reference images here to see how the buttons are actually. They're kind of round, I guess. Yeah, so this should be good then. We can just use this round object here. It's quite a bit round as we have created it from the main face here, so it's kind of round, so that should be good for our button there. So let me just go ahead, select this object right here and go to border mode, select the border and pull them in. That's good. And I can just go ahead and add some support edges there for smoothing. Connect, just one is enough. Slide it up. Okay, and that should be good. Or maybe I can just add in one more. Connect in somewhere around here. Yeah, okay. Let's see how the button looks when we smooth it. Use no subdivision. Press F4 to get rid of the. That looks good. Yeah, that's better. Now we can just pull them in place. First of all, go to Hierarchy tab, Affect People Only, and Center to Object. Pull them in. Just also turn the node subdivision options for this one as well, so that I can see how much gap I have here. So I want to have a little bit of gap maybe, or that's okay, no problem at all. That looks good. Press F4 once. Here you can see some gaps there because of that chamfer, and that's really good. What we may do is press F4 once again, select this button here, turn off the node subdivision, and what I'll do is I need a little bit of chamfer there, so just did this one here quickly, control backspace, and go to edges, select these outer edges here. We'll just chamfer them and go to chamfer 0.24, maybe 0.22. That's good. Okay, and just select this inner edge here, do a ring and do a connect. Two of them, no slide and only pinch. Yeah, okay. And now that should be good. Press F4. Yeah, we have some chamfered buttons there. That's good. That's better. Okay. Now that we've created one button, we can just duplicate them to the other side. For that, we can just use mirror on the x-axis and copy. Okay. Pull them out here on this side. One at the top and one at the bottom. One on the bottom. Let's see here. I think I need to make the size for these buttons a little bigger maybe. Okay, let me pull this down a bit and then go here. I may need to pull this down. Just get all the way around here. Oh, we have the same tray there, so we just need to pull these down. Okay, only the half parts. That's good. And for this volume button here, I need to pull this inner parts a little outside, so that's what is in the real object there. Press F4 and just isolate this one here and select these faces. Turn off this nerve subdivision as well, so that it's easier to work. Let me hit grow once and then okay. I have some errors as well there. Okay, you can see what is there. That's a problem, but that's okay, no problem at all. We can just pull them out a little more, and that'll be good. And just exit the the isolation mode by pressing the Alt key button once again. That's good. We can use the same button for the silent key there, but we need to scale it down. Okay, scale that down there. Increase it a little more. Yeah, that's good. We can put it on the other side, no problem. It's movable actually. Split it out a bit more. Yeah, that's good, I guess. Let's go to the front view here and see. We need to pull these buttons back a bit. Yeah, that's good. Let's go ahead, see how it looks. Oh, the buttons are a little bigger there. Let's scale down just a touch. Maybe pull them down a bit as well. Okay, that's good. Pull inside a bit. Okay, that's good. Now the buttons are done, and we need one more here for the sim tray. So let's go ahead and turn on the nerve subdivision here, and then select these faces out there. Okay, that's good. And I'll just do the same thing, press the shift key and pull them out. Okay. Let me just hit sim tray for this one. Sim tray. And we're not gonna do the inside of the sim tray, we're only going to do the outside parts. So one additional thing we need is the small hole right at the bottom, I guess. It's on the bottom. Is it? Yeah, it's in the bottom here. We need that hole there, so we need to create that hole. So let me just isolate this here. Go to here to the right view. Okay, zoom in. I'm going to create a hole right down here. So let's go ahead and then maybe let's go to lines and create a circle there. Create one circle right in there. Go to modify tab, go to interpolation, set it to 1. Select this object here and press F3 so that you can see the circle. I think that's a decent size there. It should be. Then we turn on the angle snap and just pull it onto this vertex so that it's centered there. Now I'm not just gonna go ahead and cut through, or maybe I need to cut through. Okay, no problem. Let's go to cut and just cut it. That's the easiest method to cut a hole. Right click and right click once again to end. I can just delete that line there, just delete it and select here. I need to turn these n-gons into quads now. Go to cut again and just cut from here to here. These ones maybe somewhere around here. And I'll just cut from this line here to this line here. And that's good. Now I can just select these faces here. Okay, that's good. I can just do a quick inset. Okay, we have some vertex errors here, so let's go to vertex and we're just gonna weld them together. Okay, and that's do good. Do the inset. Okay, and just pull these faces a little bit down. I'm sorry. Turn off the snap and pull this down. I just want to create this chamfered A's there, and I can just do extrude now. Pull them in. That should be good. Okay. Okay, and I'll just select this A's right here, do a ring and do a connect. 2 of them. That's good. And one here as well. Ring, connect. Just hit turbo smooth here, or you can just do the nerve subdivision as well. See, I can see the hole there. One more thing I may do is delete this here, and let's go ahead and select this border right here and just pull them in a little bit. Just a bit. Okay, and we may add some supporting edges here as well. Do a ring and do connect. Okay, tooth them, no problem. Let's see. That looks good. Okay. Just exit the isolation mode. You can press this bulb button here as well to exit the isolation mode, and we're just gonna pull them in their place. So let's go to hierarchy, channel effect, pivot only, and center to object. Pull them in. Yeah, that's good. Just position them properly. Yeah, that's good. Okay, we're done with that now. Now we need one more button, and that's the main home button here. So for that, we're just gonna go ahead with the, let's go to the front view here, and we just need to go ahead with the cylinder. Let's go to create panel, go down to geometry, and create a cylinder here. Okay, something that size is better maybe. Okay, give it some height, click and right click to end, and I'll just position it properly. Okay, here we are. You just pull them out. Yeah, we don't want to pull them out, we need them to be right at the surface of this glass screen there. Okay, and let me isolate this, and I'm just gonna get rid of these height segments there, and that should be good. Let me convert it to an editable poly. I'll just go ahead, select this face here, do a quick insert. Something like that. Pull this in. Do one more insert there. Maybe do 2 or 3 maybe. Actually that's not necessary, but I'm just doing it. And I just need to get these edges here and do a big chamfer, and just for the supporting edges there. That should be good. I may add a few at the center here, somewhere around 2. Okay. Let's see how it looks. Turn on the, that looks good. We can just do these back face here. We don't need that. 4. Yeah, we can go with the 2 iterations, and that looks pretty smooth there. Turn this off, exit the isolation mode, and we're done with the home button as well. Now it's time for us to go ahead and create the camera buttons and the, sorry, not the button, the camera itself and the flashlight as well. Okay. Okay, to create the camera there, I'll just unfreeze all first, just and get rid of these. Sorry, the blueprints here. I can just delete them, or I can just hide them. Actually, so I don't want them bothering me. I'll just hide these one as well. Selection. Okay. Let's go here, and the camera is obviously on this side here. So let me select this geometry up here and just isolate it. You can see it. And we need it somewhere around here, maybe. Let me quickly have a look at my phone and see. You can also use the reference images to know where the placement is there. Yeah, somewhere around there, yeah. Okay. Let's go ahead and go to cylinder and also turn on auto grid so that we can create right on the surface of these objects here. And I'll just create one right here. That's a good place to create the camera, maybe. Give it some height. Yeah. Okay, now let's go to modify tab. I'm just gonna reduce, sorry, not the radius, the height. We don't want them to be too much. Okay, I think 0.8 will be good. Yeah. And let me go ahead, convert it to an editable poly, and I'm just gonna select the face here, control click the edges to turn that into a selection and do a quick chamfer here. Somewhere around there, that should be good. Yeah. And let me select this edge here, ring it, connect that 2 times. Yeah, that's good. Okay. And I'll just go ahead, select this face right here, do a quick insert. Just a little bit only. Okay, that should be good. Okay. And just extrude that inside. Just you can set it up to inside, yeah. Delete that, and I'm just gonna delete this back face as well. We don't need that. Okay, this is the metal frame of the camera there, and we need to create some other stuff as well. So let's go ahead and do another cylinder here, and just provide it. Give it some height. Yeah, I'm gonna center it to this metal frame here by pressing the Shift and A key on a keyboard and clicking your object which you want to center to. And let me pull this out. Yeah, it's decent size there. And I just want to reduce the height to maybe 0.1. I don't want that to be too thick, because that's just the outer glass for the camera lens, just to cover that. And I need it to be a little bit inside. Okay, you can see here. Yeah, that's what we're looking after. I think this frame is okay. That's good, no problem at all. Okay, now we need to create this inner frame. Inner camera actual camera there. Okay, to do that, let me just hide this one. Let me name it first. Camera lens cover, and just hide that selection. And let's go ahead with another cylinder there, and make sure that the auto grid is turned on. Just scale it out. Give it some height. Center it by pressing the Shift A and clicking the camera frame there. I'll just reduce this down. Something like that. Maybe reduce the height a little bit. Yeah. Convert it to an Editable Poly. Let's see what it looks like. Okay. Let's go select this one here. Do a quick insert. Somewhere around there. Or maybe a little more. Okay. Just extrude it inward. I'll just do another insert here, and somewhere I may go down. Okay, I'll just weld them together. Okay. And let's go. What we can do here. Make sure we have good thing. Okay, let's go ahead, select these edges here, do a chamfer. Okay, do one more chamfer. Do one more chamfer there and reduce the amount now. Okay. And that should be good. Or maybe I can just select these again. Just select this vertex right at the center. Control click the faces to select all the faces there, and then I'll just grow it. Okay, and I need to scale it inward, because the frame here has this black box right there which will cover the outer edges, so we need the lens at the set. That should be good. And I'll just pull this vertex out a bit just to create that bulged effect there. And also I'm just gonna select this edge right here, do a ring maybe. Okay, that's not. Let me select this vertex once again and control click the edges to turn that selection on, and do a quick connect there. Okay, maybe just do some slide there and pull it outside a bit. Yeah. I can just do a chamfer there. Okay, that should look good. Let me just add in Turbo Smooth quickly and see how it looks. 2 iterations. Press F4. That looks good. add turbo smooth there, and just go ahead, select this edge here and do quick chamfer on that one as well. So it's there maybe. Okay. Let me just go ahead and pull these out a little more. Just get it outside. Okay. Let me just unhide all and see how it looks. And let me also add a simple transparent material here. Use the opacity down. That's good for the camera there. It'll look as a camera once we add materials to that. So right now it looks something different, but that's okay. It should look good. Let's do something quickly. Let's go ahead and Alt Q this, isolate this one here, and maybe I can just go ahead with the 32 sides because I don't want to smooth this one out. Or maybe go with 40 sides. I want this to be pretty smooth there. Let's go with 60. That should be good. Q and zoom in here. Select this metal frame and add a turbo smooth to this one as well, and do 2 iterations isoline display. That's good. Let me just hide this for a while. Select this one and do the same thing, add in a turbo smooth, 2 iterations isoline display. 4. There, good. Unhide all. Okay. Just hide these blueprints once again. Okay, now that we're done with the camera part as well, that looks pretty decent there, not bad at all. We need to create the hole for the flashlight there. Okay, the flashlight part, we're gonna do that in the next part, and we may just fix up something in the next part, and we'll finish up this model in our final part 6, and we're done with the camera. We just need 2 more holes here, for one for the camera sensor and one for the flashlight, and we may just fix this camera a little bit as well. I think it's looking a little weird, so I'll just fix that quickly as well. And next thing we have, I don't know, we don't have anything else. Yeah, we need to create the screen itself as well, so we'll do that in the next part, and we'll finish that in the part 6. Thank you guys for sticking with us, and I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. We'll have some more tutorials ready for you guys, so don't forget to check back to our website sanvfx.net and subscribe to our YouTube channel and like our Facebook page. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the part 6. Have a good day.